Welcome back to Trading Wars, and thanks for joining me again today, my friends. So today I'm going to talk about one of the new tools I've been using, which is put selling. So I sold the NVIDIA 112 puts for $1,605 in profit and the AMD 100 puts for $346 in profits on March 20th. And the goal here, I want to explain to you how to do this, what are the pros and cons, and also how to effectively use the options wizard tool to make this simple. All right, so if you're ready, my friends, let's step into the war zone. Okay, so first of all, guys, put selling, what I'm doing is I'm selling cash secured puts. So we're going to use NVIDIA as the main example. So I got into these puts, the 112 puts, I sold it to another party, and that party paid a little over $1,600 for the right to own those puts and have the option to exercise them if NVIDIA goes below 112. Obligated. And when I mean obligated, I'm obligated to buy NVIDIA at 112. Okay, so in this case, I would have to buy 400 shares because I did 4 contracts at 112. And as a long-term investor, I use this strategy on stocks that I want to own. And I want to own NVIDIA. I already own a lot of shares. I have over $100,000 in NVIDIA. And I am basically saying if it goes below 112, I'll buy it anyways. So that's based on my risk appetite. And if it doesn't get there, guess what? I get to collect the premium along the way. So that's my main focus with put selling. The cons are you don't want to do this on something that you don't want to own, because if you get exercise and you have to own it, you could lose a lot more than you're going to get on the premium. Okay, and I like to do this with about an 80% success rate using the option deltas that are provided through the option wizard. Okay, so let's get into the option wizard right now, and I'll show you guys how I pick the strikes and how I go through the process. All right, so I already have NVIDIA queued up here, guys. Once you go to the option wizard tool, so what you can do here, my friends, is you select any expiry that you want. Personally, I like the sweet spot between 45 days to about 90 days, so right around here. And this is going to give you the ability to get some good premium, because the premium is also going to be based on how much time is left on the contract. So let's go right here to June 20th. So let's say June 20th, NVIDIA, we're going to expect it to go up. Let's say you can change this. Let's say it goes up 6 or 7%. Okay, then you click Find Strategies. Okay, so what I like about this, my friends, this is very straightforward and very simple. So right here, these are selling puts. June 20th, 108. This is far out of the money, and then 122 is closer in the money. You can see when you go far out of the money, you're going to get paid less. So my maximum profit is $495 a contract. My maximum loss is $10,192. This is telling me if I have to buy NVIDIA at 108 and it goes to zero. So if NVIDIA goes to zero, which is very, very minimal chance of that happening, I'm going to lose 10,192. So you want to do this on good companies, obviously. And the probability, though, of me winning on this trade is 78%. So I love to stick around these high probabilities because I'm going to be able to generate this $500 with a good success rate. And in the odd chance here that we do close below 108, which is very unlikely based on the delta here provided, I'm going to have to buy NVIDIA at 108, which I'm okay with. So that's my style. It's called cash secured puts. That I like to do it on stocks that I want to own. Now, if you wanted to do some more advanced strategies, you could see the win rate is going to, the probability of success is going to be a little bit lower, but you can do a bull put spread here. You see your max profit and your max loss. The spread is going to limit your loss. Okay. But you're going to have less gains, and a lot of times probability is going to be less as well. And you see there's a whole bunch of different strategies, but what I like to focus on is these higher probabilities. And the way I do that, filter and sort, highest probability of profit, and then bang, I just go for the highest put selling option there. But you can also do things like aggressiveness, high to low. Let's see what's provided here. And the aggressiveness, it flips it around and it says, okay, you want to make more money. Well, you got to go closer, strike, and the probability goes down. Personally, like I said, I want to stay at a high win rate. I want to be able to generate monthly, quarterly income on this strategy, which is kind of the opposite of what I normally do with my Fibonacci based trades, where I go for a little bit more aggressive, but this gives me a good balance in my portfolio. All right, guys. So then once you queue it up, you can click on it and you can execute the trade. You select your account, and then when the market is live, you just hit submit and then you can execute it. But what I really like here, we see the max loss. This max loss is assuming the stock goes to zero. But if you're building a strategy around investing in the long run and you know you want to buy at 108 anyways, you can use this type of setup to commit yourself to it. And if it doesn't get there, you can also collect premium in the meantime. But obviously, manage your risk and make sure you don't oversize. This will require margin. That's another thing. I have a margin guide and video below. The margin is going to be dependent on the security and the instrument and NVIDIA, highly liquid. It's going to take a few percentages of the total max loss. It's going to apply that and lock your margin up. So technically speaking, it's going to take the margin, but you're going to get this credit to your account right away. Okay. Because you're not actually paying for the premium, you're selling the premium. All right. So I hope this added value. Drop a like and subscribe. Let me know if you like the options wizard tool below. Let me know if there's something better out there as well with interactive brokers. If there's another way to do this, I know you can go through the option chain, but I found this really helpful. All right, guys. Thank you so much for your time. Take care. Have a great day. And I'll see you guys on the next one.